Back to China Take. Every day, hundreds of millions of searches are carried out on Chinese language web search engines. And to give you an idea of what's trending among Chinese net users, we've chosen a selection of the most popular of those searches. Well, our first top search now comes from Zhike.com. Interesting summer beating sunshade. Let's take a look at this one. Many parts of China have been suffering from record high temperatures. Reports say about a dozen people died in Shanghai from heat stroke. But necessity, of course, is the mother of invention. So this photo from Wuhu, Anhui province shows two boys soaking themselves in a pond wearing lotus leaves on their heads. Another photo from Qingdao, Shandong province features beachgoers wearing superhero-like masks. The next photo shows what Shenzhen residents have come up with. Another photo shows a man fishing in Wuhan wearing a towel mask. Then there's a man in Beijing holding a giant Diablo or juggling prop as his beach umbrella. And finally, this one from an antique stall in Nanjing featuring a vendor with a big craft fan to shelter herself from the heat. Very creative indeed.